I'm Siddharth. I'm a finance professional. I work in an IT company called RCZM. So I've been living in Hyderabad for the past five years now. She's my wife, Neha. She's also an IT professional. She works in a company called BDO. So a couple of years back, I was looking for a rented apartment. I had bought this flat by then, but the handover was still pending for another 1 year or something. So I was looking for a rented apartment, and I came across LH around at that time. So the thing that got me into was the wood quality, and the shape of the interior work was still intact after 5 or 6 years. So that is where I got LH's contact from the owner and got in touch with them. Then I saw a couple of more projects done by them, and I was impressed with their quality of work, and the main primary thing that was there was the quality of the wood that they were using in their work. The living area is one of my favorite part for the house. Because we have kept that area as open. We have not kept any major furniture there. It's just a sofa and a rug there. So we like sitting there without any interruptions of devices or TV. So that's how we wanted to keep it. Then another area that we are very fond of is the French window that we have done in our master bedroom. I really like that area. I get a really nice view from there of kids playing outside and the garden. So that's another one.
I just love the walk-in closet in my master bedroom. It is just the way I wanted it, rose gold and just beautiful.
So the thing that I really wanted to appreciate about LH was the timelines that they stuck to. They completed the work in around 2 months. The execution work was done within 2 months itself, not even 2 months. So they promised and they delivered on time. The designing part took more than a month maybe, but that was before the execution, and I had time in my hands, so we took our time there. But the execution work, I had asked them to do it in a really fast manner, and they delivered with the same promise. So my designer was Sadir. During the whole process, I was in touch with him, and he really understood what I wanted with my house, how I wanted my house to look like, and he really understood it. And whenever I wanted some changes, he listened to it and he analyzed whatever he could do there, and then suggested what needs to be done there. So that was my designing experience with the designing team. Overall experience with LH was really, really good, I would say. And about recommending, so my sister has also opted for LH for their interior for their newly bought flat. So that's it. That will say a lot, that how much I want to recommend LH to others. I just suggested it to my own sister, that nothing more I have to add here.